Hi, hello everyone, my name is Hilman. Today we are going to see how to scrape the Google News result data into Excel with this NoCode tool. Let's take a look. First, we need to get the API key. You can register for free at serpapi.com. Once you've logged in, you can copy your API key from the dashboard. Then go to the NoCode Serp API website, go to the settings page, and paste your API key there and click Save. And then choose Google News. Here you can add any news you want to search for. For example, I'd like to search a news regarding OpenAI and click Search and Export. Wait for a few seconds and the Excel file is exported for you. Click on the downloaded file and now you have all the news regarding the OpenAI. It includes the author, source icon, thumbnail, link, date of the news published, and other information as well. So that's it. Feel free to try.